This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Jeffrey Woodard. Beautiful Master Model Townhouse being built by recent COVA magazine's Best Home Builder EDC Homes. 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, rec room, attached 2-car garage, 3 living levels, open floor plan with 9-foot ceilings throughout the house. James Hardie Plank siding, energy-efficient Pella windows, soft close cabinets and granite countertops in the kitchen and bathrooms, stainless steel appliances, luxury vinyl plank flooring and stain-resistant carpet, ceramic tile in primary ensuite shower. Ceiling fans in the living area and in all bedrooms. Only 2 blocks to the beach, near Little Creek Amphibious Base. Local restaurants and marinas. You can launch your kayak in minutes. There are 2 other floor plans to choose from.